My name's Tracy Hill. I'm a visual artist living and working in the northwest of England. And generally I work across printmaking, drawing and installation. And what I'm looking to explore is this shifting relationship between the traditions of the handmade mark and digital technologies and kind of the potential that combining these two processes can bring us. So I'm currently working as artist in residence at CFPR at UE in Bristol. And I'm looking to explore very specifically the possibilities of combining graphene and handmade printmaking techniques. So I'm collaborating with Dr Nazmul Karim, and I proposed to use the printed surface really as a co-curator with my body to produce a sensing and responsive surface. Initially we started with combinations of screen printed graphene and a woodblock image. And we tested really to see what combinations of pattern for the graphene would produce the most conductive surface. And then these were overlaid with a traditional woodblock image. And these were laser cut images of resonance patterns. So the testing was done both at CFPR here, but also in my studios back in Preston, Artlab Contemporary Print Studios. And this really expanded the residency for me. So it enabled me to kind of bring multiple fields of investigation together in a real kind of flow, back and forth conversation between different fields of expertise, which was brilliant. So then expanding these initial ideas into cymatics and photography really pushed that idea about the image for the editioned print in the end. So it took it beyond this idea about a static woodblock image. It was a really simple method that we employed here. So we were playing sound through a vibrating surface filled with liquid, and then photographing it. And this made it possible to simultaneously hear and see sound. And then the results of that were this really sensory flow of liquid sound, really. And almost immediately I realised that it needed to be, that image needed to be captured in a photographic etching rather than a woodblock image. The final edition print, at a first glance, will show no obvious signs of what lies below the surface. However, it invisibly carries this potential to reveal an unheard sound in an exchange of energy between the energy of your body and what's carried in the ink. So when it's wired in a particular way and connected to a touchboard and a speaker, as your hand passes in proximity to the surface of the print, you get this performative exchange, and that energy exchange then will trigger a sound, which has been pre-programmed by the soundboard. So really, what I'm interested in is revealing the unheard through the unseen.